everyone, welcome to today's video tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. So first of all, make sure you're connected to internet and have your Snapchat up to date. Now without any further ado, let's open the app Snapchat. So to see the best friend list, first of all take a snap and tap next. As you can see on my screen, I have a list of best friends and they are my best friends. But if you want to see other people's best friend, you are going to head back. Then what you are going to do is tap on the chat icon which is on the bottom line. Now you are going to tap on the profile icon of whose best friend you are going to see. Then you are going to tap here and scroll to the bottom. As you can see, it does not show any list of best friends. Because of Snapchat security system, you cannot see other people's best friend list. And that's it for today. I hope this video was of some help to you. If this video was helpful, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you do have any other question, then comment them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.